If you think to run your own business it's easy, think again. Okay, let's go. Let's go. And every good day starts with a good coffee. Matcha, actually. Today we're gonna take you on our journey. It's gonna be a busy day. Stay with us and we're gonna show you what it involves to get the uPVC window loaded, delivered, aluminium windows removed and uPVC window installed. One of the installers got sick today, so unfortunately, and I have to step in and get the job done. So stay with us, we're gonna take you on this journey. This is the first stop where we're picking up the windows and getting the van. Хватит тогда на все, да? Ладно, давай две возьмем. Нечего говорить. Одни эмоции. It's not van, yeah, van, big van.
Yeah, that's okay. If you want me to drive one next time, that's okay. I can drive.
Yeah, that's fine. No, it's all good. It's all good. Only 20 minutes to make this one work. I cleaned it up, found these things, you know.
Maybe I can have this one, because mine's fucked as well.
Oh my God, it's just, I don't know. Yeah, you know why he's saying that? Oh, it's hard to carry, it's off cuts, you know, this and that. Where's the roll trim? Yeah, imagine that. They never happy. Whatever you give them, roll trim, shit. This one, oh, now this one is shit. Till I retire?
I'll be suicidal.
Just did it. And
Lift that end up.
yeah. We don't afraid of little holes.
The timber.
Into the timber.
Yeah, but maybe, yeah, just go up in.
Up here, next to the hinge.
Yep. Don't need the brick.
It wasn't brick. I need this one. Six two. Six. Doing that is because the client was in desperate need to tomorrow the renovation starts and they're going to do a big bathroom here, so everything going to be tiled to the window frame. That's why we made these windows just overnight within a couple of days, and the glass supplier, they couldn't make the glass as quick as we made the frames, so that's why we're using a temporary solution, and on Friday within a couple of days the glass will come and then we'll be back and just put the glass in. Where's the other one? And we need to clean the gun for next time so we can use that. I don't know where's that.
Wow. Not fucking. Just angle it, man. That's it. Ah. Have you sorted it? Okay, I came here to 10:30, unloading
removing the windows, installing temporary glazing, 12:30. So we're going back to factory, just unload the rubbish and get back to my ute and jump on the emails and missed phone calls. Hello, Anton speaking. Hello. Neighbours are one of our customers just called, and we had a poster there. They want to get a quote, so we need to go to Berora tomorrow, first thing, which is good. Yeah. Yeah, that was a amazing day. Now we have to sort all this trim out. Because someone doesn't care a lot about all this money that we spend on the trim. So I have to sort it out. Okay. Just quickly want to show you, this is the flower pot we did ourselves, like a homemade, do-it-yourself with a Shuka logo on it. And then I planted this beautiful flower. What we're going to do here, this is going to be all redone. We're going to do nice lawn here. It's all going to be nice green grass. So yeah, lots to do, but we get it done. Okay guys, so I'll see you tomorrow. Very good. All delivered. Next IT meeting. If you think to run your own business it's easy, think again. It's not easy. You have to have a good team, and every day you fully engaged in a lot of things. You have to be financially smart, you have to have management degree, you have to know all about marketing, sales, and yeah, a lot.